Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Important Talks, adding value to life. So once again I'm back with a very interesting topic. So let's go ahead to the topic. So friends, this time the interesting topic is on Arogya Setu app. Long back I prepared a video on Arogya Setu app explaining the importance of it, why it's very essential for every Indian to download this app and give a space into their mobiles. So this time the discussion is we Indians have set a world record which is a marvelous thing which we Indians have done and which proves the unity and unitedness of our Indians and seriousness to fight this corona. So let's go ahead and discuss more. Arogya Setu app has reached 50 crore users in India. 50 crore users, just you heard it right, which is approx 45% of the total population of India. So 50 crore people have downloaded this app into their mobile, which is a world record, and that too in just a span of 13 days, only 13 days, which is a world record. Let's check more. When telephone came to the industry, telephone took 75 years to have this much number of users of 50 crore users. Then came the radio, which took almost 28 years to have 50 crore users. Then came television to the India, which took 13 years to have 50 crore users. Internet, it took 4 years for 50 crore users. Facebook, it took 19 months, and Pokemon Go, it took 19 days to have this number of users. But Arogya Setu, 50 million users, that is 50 crore users in just 13 days. So in this corona amid, we have set a world record in front of the world. It's the maximum downloaded app, and the number has reached 50 crore in just 13 days, which is a very good. So if you are one of them who haven't installed this app yet, so don't do this mistake. Be a part of this world record and download it immediately. And how it operates, you can check it from my YouTube channel. In my previous video I have explained it, what are the benefits of this app. So if you have missed it and you have not downloaded it, do download it, because it's very essential in the fight of corona. So be a part of the world record, and let's make this number reach 100 crore mark in the coming week. So I appeal every Indians who haven't downloaded it till date, please download it immediately, and let's take a pledge to make it 100 crore, or every user has this app in their mobile as a very essential app. So I'm sure many of you who have not downloaded will download it now. Do it. It's of very importance. Value it. Till then, in the lockdown, be at your home. Stay at home. Be safe. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.